Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to discuss with you guys that what to do after the installation of Windows 10 or Windows 11. What are the steps you necessary if you follow? You can protect your Windows, you can protect your data. So guys, let's go and dig in.
Guys, I have prepared a slide for you as the title goes what to do after Windows installation. Step number 1. Install antivirus and update. Antivirus was developed to detect and remove computer viruses. Modern antivirus software can protect users from browser hijackers, ransomware, keyloggers, backdoors. Over here you can enter your license key or activate your Windows through digital license. Step number 4. Run Windows Update. Even though you just install Windows 10, chances are that some recent updates are pending. You should install these right away to make sure you have the latest features and security patches. Step number 5. Update your hardware drivers. A device driver is a piece of software that interfaces with and control how a particular device works when connected to your system. In other words, driver allow Windows to properly communicate with your computer's hardware. Drivers are usually provided by hardware manufacturers and like most software aren't always perfect. Sometimes they are buggy or don't see updates for compatibility with the latest version of Windows. So guys, like Windows updates, you need to always update your hardware drivers because it might contain loopholes, it might contain bugs which lead the attacker to take control of your system. So it is better you always update your Windows as well as your drivers. Step number 6. Set up a backup plan. Backup protects data from several risks, including hardware failures, human errors, cyber attacks, data corruption, and natural disasters. A proper data backup platform will enable the user to return to the last known point in time before the problem hits. So, guys, you need to always, every day, if you're working on something important, data, it can be a picture, it can be a video, it can be database, you need to back it up regularly, because you never know what happened to your system. If you have backup, then you can restore your data from the backup with minimal loss. Some common examples of backups you can take, you can put in the external hard drive, in the USB drive, USB, or on the cloud.
Okay guys, as you have seen the list of the steps that you need to do after the installation of Windows, because see, there is no good or bad operating system. The operating system which is more popular or being used by many people, that operating system is prone to attacks. So like if you say that Linux is more secure and Windows is not secure, so basically if you see around the globe or around the world, many people from home to office to enterprise level, all the people, they are using Windows, and very few people, they are using Mac operating system. After that, there are few people are using Linux operating system. Mostly it's using on the server end level, but we are not going into the details right now. So for Windows is being used everywhere. So that's why Windows is prone to more attacks than the Mac, than the Linux. And nothing is 100%, guys. If you say that my network and my laptop or my computer is 100% secure, then you cannot say that, because there are many attacks happening every day. Even you might be getting hit by a hacker, or by a DDoS attack, or by any kind of attack. You don't know. But by following these steps, by following proper steps, you can minimize the attack. You cannot eliminate the attack permanently, but you can, I repeat, you can minimize the attack. You whatever data you are on working, you need to take backup regularly. Okay, then you need to clean your cache when you stop browsing. And last but not least, guys, when you are not using the internet, disconnect your laptop from the internet, disconnect your PC from the internet, disconnect your mobile from data, disconnect your mobile from wireless connectivity if you're not using it. Because many people, they keep on connecting their mobile phones to the data or to the internet. Guys, mobile phone, it is also a computer. Now we have Android, Mac, iPhone, Linux based phones, which is again Android, and there are very many variants of Linux running on Android phones. So they are all operating systems, and they are, whenever the device is connected to the internet, it is prone to attack, regardless of mobile, whatever device you have. And even if you have you have smart home, you have devices in the home, they are also prone to attacks if they are connected to the internet. So you need to proper secure your device to minimize the attack. I repeat, to minimize the attacks. You cannot stop the attacks, guys. Keep this out of your mind, that if you have antivirus, you have firewall, you have any software running to secure your device, You cannot stop the attack. There will be attacks, but again, you can minimize it. Okay guys, hope this video is useful to you, and if you want to know more, please do write comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.